I'm Kurt Schmidt. I'm the Generation and Transmission Superintendent at the Stillwater Energy Center. Stillwater has owned its own generation and electric utility since 1901, and we are the largest municipal utility with generation and the second largest municipal utility in the state of Oklahoma. Stillwater Electric Utility is a public power provider, and in that sense there's a lot of benefits that are availed to our customers. Public power providers transfer a large portion of revenue into the general budget of the City of Stillwater, and those funds help provide services like police, fire, transportation. Ball field lights are some of them. Municipal-owned buildings are provided with electricity. And one big factor is local control, faster response times, and more reliability. Stillwater Electric Utility has been designated as an RP3 recipient at the platinum level. RP3 stands for Reliable Public Power Provider. There's 4 categories that we're ranked in against other utilities in the nation. Those categories are reliability, safety, workforce development, and system improvements. The Stillwater Energy Center began construction in 2015 and was completed in 2016. There's several components to this project. There's the power block building, which houses the engines and generators, the electrical systems, and the mechanical systems for the power plant equipment. It also includes administration building, control center, and electrical shop, machine shop, and weld shop, as well as warehouse storage. So it is a very substantial project. Total cost was about $69 million. It did include a new switching substation that replaces our old Kinsey substation with the same name. Next, we will move to the control center, and I will meet you there. Welcome to the control center. Stillwater Energy Center is a part of the Southwest Power Pool. The Southwest Power Pool controls all the generation assets in the Southwest Power Pool region, which extends from North Dakota all the way down into parts of Texas, about the width of a little bit wider than the state of Oklahoma. The Southwest Power Pool tells us when we're going to bring the units online and for how long. They let us know one day ahead of time. That's called the day-ahead market. We are also in the real-time market, which means we could be requested to start at any time. We get the day-ahead at 1 o'clock in the afternoon the day before, and our engine operators are scheduled based on those day-ahead schedules. Another portion of the control center is the system operations area. The system operator, he monitors the citywide electrical system, the 69,000 volt system, and our 8 electrical substations across town. He also manages any outages that occur, and this is the location where customers would call in to report power outages. The system operator also has the ability to monitor security at all of our locations. He has 39 cameras that he can monitor at the Stillwater Energy Center, and then most of our substations also have security cameras that he can monitor throughout his shift. This shift is operated 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we have 4 of those system operators that rotate through that schedule. We will now move to the engine hall and take a look at the Wärtsilä engines and generators. Welcome to the engine hall of the Stillwater Energy Center. Behind me are 3 Wärtsilä engines with generators. Each generator has an output of 18.7 megawatts for a total generating capacity of 56 megawatts. The peak load for the city of Stillwater can reach up to about 120, 130 megawatts. So this facility could generate about 50% of that load. The typical normal day, the units could pull the whole entire city's load during those times. Each engine that you see behind me weighs 290 tons and output of about 25,000 horsepower each. Each engine holds about 3,100 gallons of engine oil. Each engine has 18 cylinders with a bore of 50 centimeters, which is approximately 20 inches across. These Wärtsilä engines are the largest in the world in the power generation field. Wärtsilä does manufacture engines in the marine world, but for the power generation world, these are the largest engines that are made. 56 megawatts is the capacity of all three engines put together. I would like to thank Leadership Stillwater for joining me on this tour of the Stillwater Energy Center, and have a great evening.